everybody. Today is Friday, April 5th, if I'm not mistaken. I haven't checked the calendar. April 5th, yeah. Because tomorrow is Summer Vibes, and you guys will be getting a vlog from Summer Vibes next week. So, today's video, Friday's video, is going to be posted tomorrow morning. Today's going to be a little fun. I'm actually on my way to my brother's house to polish his car. I've been trying my best to get with family and close friends to practice the polishing aspect of detailing, mainly because there's so many tricks and so many, steps, and not even that, just mainly practicing the technique of getting good at it, with experiencing with different pads. Experiencing with different pads, different products. Like today, I'm gonna try the Kevinchi's One Cut. It was highly recommended to me by a good friend, and I'm gonna hit that with a Rupes Blue Heavy Cutting Pad. His car is a Kia Optima, and it's got that pearl white color that Kia has been painting for a while. It's a 3-stage paint, and the clear is very thick on those cars. They lay their paint very heavy, and I'm actually really excited to see that pearl pop again. The car's never been detailed; it's just been regularly washed, here and there. You'll see it, but I'm excited. So we made it to my brother's house. Let's take a look at his car and see how much work we got. So I'm about set. I just have to get my buckets ready and then get started on the car, obviously. So here you can kind of see some of the pearls popping out. This car hasn't been washed in months, and it's never been waxed or anything like that. You can kind of see some of these water spots here just from getting rained on often and not being wiped off, or a couple scuffs here and there. Nothing too crazy. And lucky for me, I have to work with the sun right in my face. So we're gonna do the driver's side first, just avoid water spots and all that, because the sun is out but it's not hot yet. So if we let it get hot, it's gonna get worse. So we're gonna spray the car with a little bit of Adam Polish's iron remover, just to pick up some of that stuff before I pre-rinse it. So I'm gonna hit it with some iron remover. I'm gonna throw some foam on it, let it sit, and then I'll rinse that off, foam it again, scrub, rinse, dry, clay, then we start polishing. So I don't know if because it's a white car, but you can instantly see the iron remover doing its thing, pulling off all that stuff off the surface. It's not looking 100% yet, but it looks so much better. We went ahead, if you haven't kept up with the video, we rinsed, iron removed, applied iron removal, we foamed it, let it sit for a little bit, we rinsed it again, then I foamed it for a second time and hit it with the mint, and it looks 10 times, it's probably gonna be super bright for the camera, but it is what it is. 10 times better. Kind of see some of that pearl glowing out, and looks like a normal car again. But we still have to clay bar it, we still have to polish it, and then I'm gonna hit it with, as of right now, is my favorite sealant from Meguiar's, is ceramic liquid wax. Very inexpensive, very easy to use, and amazing results. So let's get back to work. It's coffee break time. Cheers. So we pulled the car into the garage, getting ready to clay bar it before we polish. It's way cleaner. You can audibly hear the roughness of the clear. So we got a clay bar. Some of the sides of the car are worse than others, mainly on the upper areas like the pillars and the roof. So we're gonna clay bar it. Today my clay mitten got melted on the silicone on the rubber side of it because I left my tote out in the sun with all my rags, and that was the one on top. So I went and bought a mother's kit from AutoZone because that's all I had in the area to get. So I wanted to point out the importance of claying before you polish or even just regular wax a car. This is all dirt that is coming up from just claying this corner of the tailgate or the trunk. And mind you, I foamed it twice. I threw an iron remover on it to remove some of the surface dust and minerals and metals. And I foamed it twice, and I mint washed it, and I rinsed it again, and I dried it. And you're still having stuff coming off the surface. It's super, super important to clay, because if I start polishing, all I'm going to do is dig all the stuff that we can't see with our eye, just dig it into the clear, create pores, and overall not get a result that lasts. So, clay, please. So we got the car all clayed, getting ready to polish. We're gonna wipe it down with some alcohol, make sure there's nothing else on the surface. We can go to town. It's coffee time again. It's super important to protect your clear once you polish it, whether it's a wax, a sealant, spray wax at minimum. I have used this several times since I started detailing, and I absolutely love it. It's McGuire ceramic wax. I don't care what anybody else thinks about it. It is an amazing product. It's very inexpensive. It obviously isn't a ceramic coat because it's not as strong, it's not as thick, it doesn't do what a ceramic coat would do as far as length or longevity of the protection, but it'll last a good 6 to 7, maybe 8 months with proper care, routine cleanings, and proper maintenance on the paint itself. But this is what we use today, and I absolutely love how it came out. You guys can see the pearl shine up on this car. So we'll take a look. I'll put some of this on. You can watch me do that. Then we'll take a look at how the car came out. Alright, so that's it for today's video. Had a lot of fun, learned a lot. I hope you guys have enjoyed the content so far, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So I'm gonna go get something to eat. Bye.